Back at it again with ZPC, and today we're going to talk about bullying, how to deal with it, or how to know if somebody you know is getting bullied.
And what to do about it.
Okay, so basically bullying is just making somebody feel belittled or belittling.
Inferior.
Yeah. So what should somebody do about
Okay, so these are the signs to know that you're getting bullied. If somebody is saying something to you and you don't feel good about it, you don't find it funny, and you actually feel hurt by it, that's the first sign.
and you keep telling them to stop.
And then
The second sign is it when it gets physical. If somebody's putting their hand on you and
it's not even in a playing way,
way.
it's hurting you, then that's bullying.
And it's not all the times physical. Like a lot of times it can be mental.
It can be, or emotion. And then also if they're calling you names and things,
and you're not feeling good about it, that means
Yeah, and one of the worst ways are really emotional and mental, because even though people don't necessarily see scars and stuff, it's still scars in
it's
life.
deep down,
Yeah.
and you're gonna live with that.
you're right.
So now, when you're getting bullied, the second step to that is you gotta do something about it. You just can't let that happen to you over and
Yeah.
over.
You have to make sure you say something. Like if you feel like if it's no longer a game anymore, you're not playing anymore. You have to make sure you tell them that you don't like that, or they're gonna keep doing it.
And if they don't listen, then go to somebody bigger. Go to the teacher or do something about it. You can't live with that.
Yeah, and like, how many times have y'all thought that like y'all can't say anything because the bully would get worse or something like that? You gotta,
Get that.
yeah, you gotta say something.
Say something.
And I also feel like if you don't say anything, or let's say you say something and then they're not taking you seriously, you need to make sure that they know that you're serious, so that they can stop. Because a lot of people bully other people because they know that they might be scared of them, or
They
might
have
be-
issues
If
with
you pop
themselves.
back and they get scared, then
Yeah,
it's over.
half of the time all you gotta do is stand up to the bully and you'll be good.
Another reason people bully though is that they're getting bullied. They don't feel confident in themselves either.
Yeah.
So that's another.
Or they feel like they have something about you that you have but they don't. Yep.
So if you or let's say if you know a friend let's say if you know that a friend is getting bullied, you should be there to support them.
Yeah.
And stand with them while they're trying to defeat their bully.
If you see your friend getting bullied, do something
Or
about
not,
it.
it don't even have to be your friends. If you see somebody get bullied, don't just stand there and be a
Stand up for
bystander.
them.
That's not okay.
Because if you just stand there and let them get bullied, then you're also a bully.
Exactly. Okay, so let's write down our steps. Step number 1. Right here. Step number 1
Is
was
figuring
figuring out.
if you're getting.
Yeah.
Are you bullied? That's the step.
Yeah. Good way to shorten the day. Number 2 is step like do something about it or confront the bully. Confront the bully.
Do something about it.
Okay.
Because sometimes you can't always confront the bully. Sometimes you gotta get somebody else close.
Yeah.
But either way, it's still gonna help.
Always say something. And I would say step number 3, if nothing's happening, I wouldn't.
For one, I feel like distance yourself from them.
Make sure you're not like alone by them or something. Just don't be around them.
Get
They're
your,
negative.
I mean, I would start with getting some counselors at school, and if that don't work, get your parents. And
Get an adult.
Yeah. And oftentimes that does work because bullying has become a real serious issue. So oftentimes that does work. But if that doesn't work, and you feel like you have no support system, then I would kind of say like, I don't know, kind of try to stand up for yourself. Yeah, basically.
And so, the quote for this will be take action. So then, like, that means anybody, if you see your friend getting bullied, or if you're the one being good bullied, you need to take action right when it starts.
I like that.
That's part of the day. Take action. Like that.
Okay.
He knows something about it. What kind of song?
I'm going to sing something.
I know you seen something that I'm doing.
Alright. So that's all we have. Just make sure you take action if you feel like you're being bullied or you see somebody getting bullied.
Yeah. Don't be a bystander.
That's it. Okay.